The three friends walk in the Jew. I'm hungry too. Jiangsu bought some crackers. The three friends ate the crackers. The two dragonflies and little dragon walk in the Jew. They met a Jew fun. Is there another dragon in the Jew? No, we don't have a dragon in the Jew. Both not have one. Come with me, little dragon. Come with me. I have a nice cave for you. You can live in the Jew. No. I don't want to live a Jew. Come with me. No. Come with me. Yuri breathing fire. The beautiful land where.